Today, we're diving into the Aqua 3 Micro ATX Case, a sleek and innovative MATX PC case designed to showcase your build with style and efficiency. This case features a stunning 270-degree panoramic view with tempered glass front and side panels, allowing you to admire your internal hardware from almost any angle. Equipped with a vertical airflow design, it includes two H12 3-pin ARGB fans at the top and one at the rear, ensuring optimal cooling performance for your high-powered components. The multi-functional zone offers seamless connectivity with USB 3.0 ports, audio jacks, and a lightning-fast Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 interface, making device management a breeze. With its exquisite 1.2mm steel mesh, the Aqua 3 optimizes heat dissipation while providing excellent dust resistance and durability. The advanced quick-release panels allow for easy access and maintenance, while the spacious interior supports graphics cards up to 320mm and CPU coolers up to 164mm, accommodating even the 4070 GPU. Finally, the built-in 4-port ARGB fan controller lets you personalize your lighting experience, syncing effortlessly with your motherboard for dynamic effects. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.